You're probably wondering where I'm going right now. I'm going to camp. This was initially planned by Ekawobi, but he wasn't able to go. I enjoyed it. It was fun. So hopefully you enjoyed this. These are basically just snippets of what happened. It was a overnight camp with seminars. And basically, after that, I'm now allowed to climb Mount Apo. Yay! Alright, here you go. Enjoy. Oh my god, I'm gonna let go. I seriously am going to climb. This is scary. Holy. My neighbors and my tent. I didn't think I would need anything in the bottom, but then I found out I need to. So that's one thing we need to get. Because the bottom of my tent is not waterproof. Top's waterproof, which is fine. It's fairly cool, so I don't have to worry about it, I guess. But we'll see. We'll see in the afternoon.
Dali ng buhay. Tapos sa bawat dulo, okay, so yung inaya ko doon, so again, sa kabilang dulo, wala akong tuturo sa inyo na land navigation, wala akong tuturo sa inyo kung paano mag-pack, kasi ang aim ng LMT mindset. We need to change our mindset on how to use the outdoors. Clear tayo doon? Yun yung aim nila. Kaya natin kailangan maging aware is to change our mindset. Bakit? Ngayon ang tanong. Bakit namin kailangan?
Feeling ko, mamaya, baka lang social. May bonfire tayo later na.
Yes.
Yun. So, baka mas maganda yung puntahan. Alam niyo ba yung puntahan? Sino aware sa puntahan? Kwentuhan. Mamaya sa gabi ng puntahan or gabi ng kwentuhan at chikahan at inuman, at least medyo makakarelate tayo sa
laban sa dilim ng camera. Ang liwanag ng tapat.
Bago umakyat. Sino ba dito yung mga medyo tumandaan sa bundok na katulad? Wala na. Medyo tumanda ka na rin. Mga 19... Ay, kailan ka nag-start mag-live? 2003. Ay, hindi tayo nagkakalayo, sir. Magka-classmate tayo. Okay. Pareho.
Okay, sa atin...
Sa TV.
Uy, totoo yun! Totoo yun! Mga nurses ang gumagawa pa niyan. Sa hospital, hindi lahat ng doktor tsaka hindi lahat ng nurses is marunong mag-CPR. Meron diyang malalim na part. Yung malalim na part
Yun ba yung sikmura?
Yes, sigura. Xiphoid process. Yan. Ito. And then, gawa ka ng fist. Yan. Tapos, yan. Ay, yuko. Tapos, gawa kayo ng malaking J. J talaga, masakit. Tapos,
J pa sa'yo.
hindi ko pwedeng gawin sa kanya yan. Kasi baka masakit siya ko na masakit yan. So, gagawa kayo ng J. Papasok. Back. Yan. Okay na po.
Pagbata.
And now it's time to go home. Well, that was a doozy. Now I come to realize I cannot climb Mount Apo after this. So apparently I need this seminar, which is a basic mountaineering course, to be able to climb Mount Apo. And now I have that certificate. I could go and climb Mount Apo. No, I'm not that crazy. Yeah, I don't know what to do with this information, but it was fun to do. And the next few things you're gonna see are just me walking the road going home and the rain. We're glad we were able to leave the area before the rain. And yeah, I hope you enjoy watching this. I know it's been a while since I had an actual video come up, but yeah, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Alright, goodbye! Enjoy the rest of the video!